friends, I am Sangita. Welcome back to my channel. As temperature is going up, summer is here. We Bengalis love to make Amer Dal, means lentil with raw mango. So let me prepare this Kacha Amer Dal today, means preparing red lentil with raw mango. So let me go ahead and prepare this Amer Dal. To prepare Kacha Amer Dal or raw mango lentil, we need raw mango. Here I took 3 raw mangoes. Need red lentil. We'll remove the skin from the raw mango and make small pieces. I need green chili. I need turmeric powder and salt to prepare this Kacha Amer Dal. Here I washed and kept red lentil. Now I'll add raw mango pieces with seeds and green chili, and I'll add salt and turmeric powder here. Now I'll cover and cook it for 8 to 10 minutes in medium heat. After 10 minutes, remove the lid and check whether dal is cooked, boiled properly or not. Here, dal and mango both cooked properly. In a pan, I'll add 1 tablespoon of oil. Now I'll add 2 dry red chilies. Fry it for a minute. Now I'll add half teaspoon of mustard seeds. These mustard seeds and red chili adds a nice flavor in this Kacha Amer Dal. Now add this boiled dal here. Add boiled water. Depends how thick dal you would like to have. Bring it to boil. Our Kacha Amer Dal is ready. So my Kacha Amer Dal is ready. It's very simple and very easy recipe. So prepare this recipe. You don't need too many ingredients. Prepare this recipe. Definitely you'll love it. So thanks for watching. That's all from me today. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. So see you all later in my next video. Take care. Bye bye.